In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use functions in MQL5. We'll walk through creating a simple script in MetaTrader 5 that uses two functions, compile it, run it, and read the output so you can see exactly how functions behave in practice. Even if you're new to MQL5, follow along and you'll be fine. First, open MetaEditor from MT5 by pressing F4. MetaEditor is where you write and manage your MQL5 code. It's integrated with MetaTrader, so anything you create here will be available to run directly in the platform. Next, create a new script. In MetaEditor, click File, then New. Choose Script as the type, give it the name Function Example, and click Finish. This sets up a basic script file for you and places it in the script section so it's easy to find later. Now paste the full code you were provided into the editor window. This code contains two functions and an entry point. The first function, called sayHello, simply prints a friendly message to the journal. The second function, addNumbers, takes two integers, adds them together, and returns the result. The onStart function is the script's starting point. When the script runs, onStart calls sayHello and addNumbers, and then prints the returned answer so you can see it. With the code in place, compile it by pressing F7. Compiling translates your code into something MT5 can execute. You should see 0 errors, 0 warnings. If you don't, double-check that you pasted the entire code exactly as given and that nothing extra was added or removed. Let's run the script. Go back to MT5 and open the Navigator panel, then expand scripts. Find Function Example and drag it onto any open chart. Scripts run once on the chart you drop them on, so this is the quickest way to trigger your code and see the output. To view the results, open the toolbox and switch to the Journal tab. Here you'll see the messages printed by the script. You should see hello from MQL5, followed by answer equals 8, and then the math result is 5 plus 3 is 8. That sequence shows that say, hello printed its message, addNumbers returned the sum of 5 and 3, and onStart displayed that result. That's it. You created a script, learned how functions can print messages and return values, compiled your code, ran it, and verified the output in the journal. This simple pattern is the backbone of organizing logic in MQL5, and it sets you up to reuse code cleanly and build more powerful